Someone there?
I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm gonna get this out, all right? Wow. The hell are you?
Axel is a robotic dog, but not just a robotic dog. It's artificial intelligence as well. It is probably the latest development of artificial intelligence technology, and the idea behind it is it's supposed to get smarter with every moment it stays in human contact. And the irony in that is the only way Andric sees that is when it escapes his lab and falls into the hands of a young man.
Introducing Axel, the latest in military protection, featuring facial recognition, onboard weapon systems, and owner pairing capabilities.
Alex has been absolutely lovely, and I've really enjoyed working with him. Very receptive, very giving, very generous, and very curious, which has also made my work feel more curious. And I guess there is this level of vibrancy to what they do.
It's a robot.
An intelligent robot. He feels things.
I'm sending you the new location. Move in for retrieval.
The joy for me in being a part of this film is honestly boils down to just working with a great cast and crew. Just really kind and collaborative and generous group of people who haven't skipped a beat in showing respect and camaraderie and efficiency and trying to make something work.
We're in this together.